Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First off, I owe you all a big apology for the gap in the uploads. Things have been crazy lately because, well, SAT is just round the corner and I have been super busy with the classes and preparation. But I promise it's worth it because today I've got something really cool for you. In this video, we'll be tackling higher degree polynomial questions straight from SAT and I'll show you how to solve it with favorite tool. Guess what? Desmos device. Trust me, and this is going to be game changer for anyone looking to visualize the complex problem to get answer faster. So grab your calculator, maybe a cup of coffee, and let's dive into the world of polynomials. So these are few of the questions of polynomials. Those people who are good in polynomials, right? So they can solve, like algebraically, those people who are good in algebra, right? They can solve this just by taking the 2, take out the square over here, and then x minus 2 over here, and then minus 9, and then x minus 2 over here. So this becomes x square minus 9 and x minus 2. So it will be x minus 3, x plus 3, x minus 2, right? This is the old way to do it. But like I don't like algebra, then what to do? We'll open Desmos. I'll just open it up. And then what we are going to do is we are just going to plug in the value over here and get the answer. So my equation was y is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 9x plus 18. So over here, go to Desmos and we'll put the equation as usual. Y equals to x raised to the power 3. Can you see? Well, let me just remove this. Three, and then minus 2x squared minus 9x plus 18. So over here you can see negative 3, 2, and 3 other roots. So we'll go over here and see negative 3, 3, and 2. So can you see? B has all the options. So basically B is your answer. So you don't require to know, like actually. Now over here, if we have this question, right? So over here we have this question. The graph is given over here. Which equation represent the graph of our? So y is equal to x plus 2, x square minus, so we have to choose these. So the best way to do is we can, if you're not good at factoring, no problem. We'll just graph it at Desmos and see which one satisfies, right? So that you can over there, you can like directly copy. Right here, I'm not able to copy, but over there you can directly copy. Y is equal to x plus 2, x square minus 4x minus 12 is my first one. So then I go to Desmos. y equals to x plus 2 into bracket x square minus 4x minus 12. So my roots are negative 2 and 6. Right? So obviously this graph are not same. So first one is not the answer. Right? Similarly, you do for the second one. Right? What is my second one? It's y is equal to x minus 3, x square plus x minus 2. So we just change it, put it 3 over here. So you don't need to write like whole of the equation. Remove this and make it plus x. All right, and instead of just remove this and put negative 2. So see, the equation is exactly like the, here you can see negative 2, 1 and 3. And then let's go back 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 2 and 1. So similarly over here. Right? That's why the negative. So negative 3, 2, 1 and 3. Right? Exactly way like this. So you just put the value and you can get the answer. So no need to do whole of it. Then if we have exactly question like this where you actually has to solve this, right? You simply write whole of the equation and get the answer. Now over here you can see this question. This one question is for sure for the test and it definitely comes and you don't have to do anything. You just actually have to equate the coefficients. So you simply multiply, it becomes y cube, y square multiplied to y, and then minus 4y square, then plus ky square, and then minus 4ky minus 3y plus 12. So this should be equal to y cube minus 4y square plus ky square minus 4ky minus 3y plus 12. So when we equate the coefficient, equating the coefficient simply means that y cubes need to be equated with y cube and x cube need to be equated with x cube, right? So over here, b, the coefficient of y square would be minus 4 plus k, but it will not be helpful in finding out the value of y. So next one is we equate the coefficient of y would be minus 4k minus 3. So take 3 to the other side, 5 plus 3. That is going to be minus 4k. So k is going to be negative 2. Right? So that's all for today. Keep tuned and I'll keep to do more and more questions. Thank you.